Every time I make beans like this, everyone wants to know the recipe. I have 2 cups of red kidney beans here. Next, we'll add water until the beans are covered. Squeeze in a lemon, leave to soak for 20 minutes. I'll add a little oil and then 3 cloves of chopped garlic. At this point, we can add the washed beans. Here I have a peeled English potato, an onion. I'll also add a tomato, add a beet, and then our special ingredient. Here I have a pork leg. It's been well sanitized. I'll also add 4 bay leaves. Next, we'll add water to cover it for cooking. The cooking will take about 30 minutes after it comes to the boil. Now I'm going to remove the potato. Let's put these ingredients in a blender. Add a cup of the broth from the beans. We'll blend it very well. Now just add this broth to the beans. Now I'm going to squeeze in another lemon. We'll also add a teaspoon of salt, which shouldn't be missing. Let's stir and let it cook for another 5 minutes. And until the next video, bye-bye.